just like to white clip fucking with me. I pass around and get a nigga slimmy, but it's on me on the squad and tryna black mommy. Ain't no way I'm finna let up, ain't no Ross fucking with me. Ain't no way I'm finna shut up, bro, that white deal. So you know I'm finna cut up. With me, yes, we finna run up. 101 Dalmatian, I need 101 fight. When I lose a draw, man, I'm tryna get paid. 101 Dalmatian, I need 101 fight. When I lose a draw, man, I'm tryna get paid. I ain't tripping off a beat, they gon' brush your teeth. You know, in a real way, I'm on the scene, popping out. With 100, minus 100. 22, I can flip like a hamlet. You are now for the culture, you can shut the nigga flat paperwork, I ain't told on that. Nigga flat paperwork, I ain't told on that. 209 tatted on me raw. No matter what they say, run a fake, fuck them all. For real niggas from Tulsa, not the cloud chasing and hoping. Blueface, nigga take off your blue K. Ass on your chest, that was trying to get sacked. Blueface, take off your blue K. Ass on your chest, that was trying to get sacked. I ain't cloud chasing, I'm just trying to get paid. I ain't cloud chasing, I'm just trying to get paid. If your mind is saying, man, I won't have nothing to say. If your mind is saying, man, I won't have nothing to say. Since you think it's tripping up the little through the Robert Bernasky, we can get in the ring though, you know what I mean though, you know what I'm saying? I'ma bleed the block, you know what I'm saying? We finna bleed the block though, Bernasky. Come get up with me, dead homies, you know what I'm saying? I'm really yelling at you, know what I'm saying? I'm on that. 10 out of 10 times. I'm on that, dead homies, man. Yeah. In a real way though, yeah, oh wait.
What's good, YouTube? It's ShairaqTV, man. Long story short, we got Aaron the Plumber with a diss track to Blueface Manager, and Wack100. And he's talking about he just trying to get paid and all that. You know what I mean? So if you're familiar with the situation, Aaron the Plumber got jumped by Blueface's manager and stuff like that. So yeah, it's been crazy though. You know what I mean? So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications on, and let's go, lock it in.